I have got a problem with screen wash on my BMW 5 Series F11, and in this video we will try to solve this issue by replacing the screen wash pump. But let me demonstrate what is my issue. When I want to clean my rear window, there is no issue whatsoever. But when I want to use the screen wash for the windscreen, there's nothing happening whatsoever. You can see I'm pressing and you cannot even hear the pump. Let's get on it and crack the bolt. Come on. First, I loosen the wheel bolts while the car is still on the ground. Then I use the jack to lift the car up. After that, I can fully unscrew the bolts and take the wheel off. Once the wheel is off, I can see all the bolts that holds the arch lining in place. There are 4 bolts at the bottom of the car. Make sure not to miss them. After I take out all the bolts, I remove the arch lining. As soon as it's off, I can see the screen wash tank. There is 1 bolt on the tank that needs to be removed. Once that bolt is out, I can lift the tank a little and slide it out. And when the tank is partially out, I can see the 2 screen wash pumps. So this one is for the rear window and this one is for the front window. Next, I carefully move the screen wash pump out and unplug the electric connection. Then I can clean off any dirt and put a plastic container underneath to catch a leftover screen wash. Once the liquid is drained out, I pull out the pump and press the clip on the hose to disconnect it. And just like that, the pump is off. The small piece here is a plastic filter for the pump. It's a good idea to clean it, but mine was already clean, so I just put it back. When everything is clean, I install the new pump on the top of the filter. I plug the electric connection, push the pump into the tank and make sure it's fully in place. Last step, I connect the screen wash hose back to the pump. So it's all fitted. Let's try if this one will be working. Come on, baby. Oh yeah? Yeah! We have got screen wash, front and back. Now last step, put it all back together. Now we need to slide the screen wash tank back into place. Push the tank up, then slide it in. Make sure the small tip on the bottom lines up with the bracket. After that, screw in the top bolt. Next, put the arch lining back on and screw it in to keep it secure. Now we can put the wheel back on and drive the bolts in. Finally, lower the car down and tighten the bolts in cross pattern. Another successful repair for me, and look at that. It's working beautifully. If you have got BMW 5 Series F11 like me, this video on the screen can be helpful for you. If you like to help me to grow my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you in another video or in another how-to video or on my build Astra. See you in next one. Bye.